The Kinesis Freestyle Convertible keyboard family is the first ergonomic keyboard to accommodate a wide range of body types and user needs by offering simple, interchangeable configurations. The Freestyle's amazing adjustability and range of options offer organizations a keyboard which can be standardized on, reducing the need for multiple ergonomic keyboards and simplifying sourcing, all at an economical price. At the heart of the Freestyle family is the Solo keyboard, available in both Mac and PC, with a sleek, sophisticated look and a compact yet traditional key layout, making adaptation a breeze. But that's where conventional keyboard design ends. The Solo keyboard includes two keying modules connected by a flexible pivot tether, allowing for infinite display adjustment. Slide release buttons remove the pivot tether from the keyboard, allowing up to 8 inches of complete separation. Need even more separation? A 20-inch version is also available. Many keyboards are wide due to the integrated 10 key, which can create forearm and shoulder pain when reaching for the mouse. The Solo addresses this problem by eliminating the keypad and repositioning it in an embedded layer in the right key module. This decreases the overall width, allowing a closer, more comfortable placement of any pointing device. Most keyboards have a 10-degree positive slope from front to back, which tends to bend your wrists. Not the Freestyle. Its attractive, low-profile design includes a 0-degree slope, minimizing keyboard height and promoting neutral wrist posture. The Solo utilizes quiet, tactile, low-force keys, providing years of comfortable typing. One of the Solo's most exciting and unique features are driverless hotkeys, which cut down on common mousing and awkward key combinations, including internet page forward and back, cut, copy, and paste. Other convenient features include double-wide delete and escape keys, which make easier targets for these more distant keys. For users needing even more adjustability, the Freestyle offers two extraordinary yet simple accessories for ultimate flexibility. The Freestyle Incline accessory features a fixed base with a moderate 10-degree slope, plus the ability to display and lock both keying modules, making it an ideal replacement for fixed split and tented keyboards such as the Microsoft Natural. The Freestyle VIP accessory features V-lifters, which provide straightforward, reproducible slope settings of 10 and 15 degrees. Palm supports are also included for neutral wrist positioning. The VIP accessories design can also take advantage of the Solo keyboard's ability to completely separate. Continuing the quest to raise the bar in exceptional ergonomic design, Kinesis will soon offer two new Freestyle accessories without integrated palm supports, one with gentle slope settings ranging from 5 to 15 degrees, the other with more progressive slopes from 20 to 90 degrees. Freestyle. Your comfort, your style, your choice.